Question number 4 of the exercise 13.2. What is given here? A pen stand has the shape of a pen stand is made up of a wood in the shape of a cuboid with 4 conical depressions to hold pens. The dimensions of the cuboid are 15 cm by 10 cm and by 3.5 cm. The radius of each of the depression is 0.5 cm and depth is 1.4 cm. Find the volume of the wood in the entire stand. So this is given here, pen stand like this. Here how many conical depressions are there? 4 conical depressions are there. Means this is like this, it will be there. So what is the entire stand? So what is the formula of the volume of wood in the entire stand is equal to volume of cuboid minus volume of 4 cones. So what is the volume of a cuboid here? So volume of a cuboid, it is given, that is length into breadth into height. The dimensions it is given here. Length is equal to your 15, breadth is equal to 10 and height is equal to 3.5 cm. Q point and 0 will be removed. Cancel 35 into 15. That is 35, 15 5 75, 7, 15 is 45 plus 7, 52 centimeter cube. Next, what we find it out? Volume of a cone. Volume of a cone formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So what is the radius here given? Radius of the depression is equal to 0.5 centimeter and height is equal to depth equal to 1.4 centimeter. So volume of the cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi 0.5 whole square 1.4 centimeter cube. Okay. So now it is become here. What is the pi value here? 22 by 7. 1 by 3 pi is equal to 22 by 7, 0.25 into 1.4. 7 1 is 7, 0.2. 1.4 it will be there. Like this. Now what left over there here? Volume of a cone 1 by 3 into 22 into 0.25 into 0.2. Here we have to remove the decimal. Here we can be written after decimal 2 we can divided by 100, so point will be removed. After decimal 1 digit is there, so we can 2 by 10. 125 1 ja, 25 4 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 11 ja. What we will get here? 11 by 13. This is the volume of a 1 cone centimeter cube. Next, volume of 4 cones. 4 depressions are there. Volume of 4 cones equal to 4 into 11 by 30 centimeter cube. This is 4 4 so what we will get? 44 by 30 centimeter cube. 31 ja 40, 31 4.046 centimeter cube. So volume of the answer will be volume of the wood is equal to volume of the cuboid. What we will get volume of the cuboid here? 525 minus 1.46. This is 523.20 523.54 centimeter cube. This is the answer. Question number 5 of exercise 13.2. What is given? A vessel is inverted in shape, inverted cone. Means this is the vessel in the shape of a inverted cone, and in the height is it is 8 centimeter. Here the height of the cone is 8 centimeter, and radius of the top which is open is 5 centimeter. This is the 5 centimeter given. So It is filled with water up to the brim. So water has filled here this in this cone. Okay. Now when the lead shots, each of which is a sphere of radius 0.5 centimeters, are dropped into the vessel. We will put the lead shots in the shape of a sphere in the water of the vessel. So the 1/4 of the water flows out. Here the water will be flows out. Water flows out 1/4. So 1/4 of the volume of the cone is washed out. Find the number of lead shots dropped in the vessel. What we will do here? Just first find the volume of the cone and the volume of the sphere. And that volume of the cone and the volume of the sphere we divided, we will get the number of shots, and that is 1/4 of the volume of the cone. Means first of all we have to find 1/4 of the volume of the cone and the volume of the sphere. We can divide both, we will get the number of shots. So number of formula is lead shots put in the water is equal to 1/4 volume of cone divided by volume of sphere. So what is the sphere here? First of all find the volume of a cone. Volume of cone formula is 1/3 pi r square h. So what is the pi here? 22/7. And what is the r here? 8 centimeter and r is 5 centimeter. R is equal to 5 centimeter and height is equal to 8 centimeter. So volume of the cone is equal to 1/3. Let it write like this: 5 whole square into 8. And what is the volume of a lead shot? That is shape of the sphere. That is 4/3 pi r cube. What is the r here? 0.5. That is 5/10 centimeter. Remove the decimal here. So put here what we will get? 4/3 pi 5/10 whole cube. Okay. So what you will get here? You will get here 4/3 pi 5 cube 125 pi 1000. So what is the number of lead shots here? So number of lead shots. What is the formula here? 1/4 of the volume of the cone. Volume of the cone, that is 1/4 into 1/3 pi into 25 into 8 upon volume of the lead shot, that is 4/3 pi into 125/1000. So here 3 cancelled, pi cancelled, 1/4 1/16 into 25 into 8 into this 1000 will be go to the upside upon 125. Okay, 125 1 is 125, 8 is 8 8 is 64. So 25 into 64/16. 16 1 4 is 25 into 4, that is the 100. So how many leads are there? This is the answer. Question number 6. What is given here? Question number 6. A solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220 centimeter. And this is the cylinder, 220 centimeter height it is given. And what is here? Radius it is given. Base diameter is 24. Diameter it is given 24 centimeter. And which is surmounted by another cylinder. And on it and one more cylinder is standing like this. Clear? And this radius is given. The radius it is given 8 centimeter and height is given. This height is given 60 centimeter. Okay. So now what we will find it out? Find the mass of the pole given that 1 centimeter cube iron has approximately 8 grams of mass. We have to fill this pole with the mass. How much mass will be required? How much weight will be required? So in that question, We need to find, this is cylinder 1 and this is the cylinder 2. We need to find the volume of the both the cylinders, and we can add, we get that volume of the whole pole. So what is the formula? Volume of pole is equal to volume of cylinder 1, cylinder, that is C1, plus volume of cylinder C2. So first of all we have to find the volume of the cylinder C1. So volume of cylinder C1, what is the formula here? Volume of cylinder pi r square h. What is the h given here? 220 centimeter, and diameter, radius is equal to diameter divided by 2, diameter is equal to 24 by 2 centimeter. So put here what we will get? Pi, that is 12 whole square into 220 centimeter cube here. Okay. So next the pi value is 3.14. So next is volume of cylinder C2, that is pi r square h. That is, what is the h given here? 60 centimeter, and radius is equal to 8 centimeter. So what is the volume here? Pi 8 whole square into 60 centimeter cube. So what is the volume of the pole here? So volume of the pole is, you already know that volume of the pole is equal to volume of the both the cylinders. So first one you got pi into 12 square into 220 plus pi into 8 whole square into 60. So what is the common here? We will pi value take common. 12 square, what will get? 144 into 220 plus 64 into 60. So that is, what we will get? 144 into 22, 288, 8, 16, 10, 11, 1, 3, 1, 6, 8, 0. 3, 1, 6, 8, 0. That is 3, 1, 6, 8, 0 plus 64 into 6, 0, 4, 300, 8, 14. So what is the pi value here? 3.14 plus 0, 8 plus 4, 12, 1, 9 plus 6, 15, 1, 5, 3, 0, 12, 1, 9 plus 6, 15, 1, 5, 3. Okay. So now what you will get here? This is, point is there, we can divide it by 100. So 314 into 35520 centimeter cube. Centimeter cube. Okay. Centimeter cube upon 0.100. Okay. So the mass of the weight, the mass of 1 centimeter cube iron required, the mass of iron per 1 centimeter cube is equal to 8 grams. So the whole mass of iron per given volume, is equal to 314 into 35520 upon 100 into 8 grams. So volume of the entire vessel, volume of the iron pole requires mass. Iron pole has the mass equal to 3.14. 314 into 35520 into 8 upon 100. Okay. This is the gram. Next we can convert into kilogram. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kilograms. So we have to multiply this one by 1000. 8 zeros are 0, 8 twos are 16, 1 41, 4 4 28 upon 100. So what you will get? 8 4 1 6 0 0 cancelled into 3 1 4 4 5 4 6 24 2 4 1 64 16 3 3 11 6 1 4 8 2 18 48 12 24 plus 1 25 2 8 4 12 10 10 plus 16 1 8 12 1 10 10 plus 2 12 1 8 plus 9 8. That is equal to 8 9 2 2 8 9 divided by 1000 divided by 1000. No, 8 9 2 2 6 2 4 0 upon 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. So answer will be your 892.2624 kg. This is the answer.